Guys, in this video, we will be learning how we can get union of NumPy arrays in Python. We'll be using NumPy union1d function. Then we will see what is a reduce function, right? I'm using editor PyCharm and Python version 3.12 is installed on my computer. Before getting started with any of the implementation, you have to install NumPy library on your computer. If you have not yet installed it, you have to open your command prompt, or you can open your PyCharm terminal and then you can type in one command, that is pip install numpy. Once this library is installed on your computer, you can then start using numpy function in Python code. So now let's get started with the tutorial. What is union? Union means we can club more than one arrays into a single result set, which will be distinct for us, right? Here we are talking about how we can get the union of numpy arrays. So first we'll be importing a numpy library. We will be creating two numpy arrays. We will be printing both array. You will get the output 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 5, 6, 2, 7, 3, 15, right? So these are different integer type of element. We have to take one result variable and then np dot that is union 1d function. This function will accept array1, array2, print the output. Let's print the type of this object also, right? What type of object it is returning? Let's run the program. So you will get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 15, right? So we are getting the distinct elements from both the arrays, and this has been clubbed into the one dimensional array. If you see the type of this object result1, that it is returning as ND array. Okay. If you want to get the union of result1 also with other array, you can do and then do the union of result1 with array3, right? So instead of array1, I'll be using result1 and then array3, right? If you're in the program, so you will get your extra element also with this result2. You see 30 and 50 elements is being added to the result2. Okay, because you have taken union of result1, that was the result of array1 and 2, and along with you have taken array3, right? So you have seen how to get the union of one dimensional array. Let's see how we can club different dimensions of array to get the union, right? Array3, we make it two dimensional, right? Okay, so this is two dimensional array. So we have ending property to get the dimension of array. Array3 we have taken as a two dimensional array, and we have one dimensional array, right? Let me run the program. So you will see still we have the same output, right? Here is one two dimensional array and others are one dimensional array, right? Or you can make it more simpler. You can take array 4 and keep your element as singles, right? 2, 30 you can take, even 50 you can take, and more elements you can take like 3, 7, 90. Okay, so these are our one dimensional array. Okay, in array 4, instead of result 1, we would be getting array, right? We're in the program. So you will get a distinct element from these two arrays, right? Okay, this is how it works. Let's see, we make it third dimensional array, right? Let's see, will work. We have to keep row and column equal. Shape should be equal, right? So there are two elements. So in this other row, we have to pass on same number of elements in the column, right? Let me run the program again. So you will get 1, 4, and 7, right? 1 we have, 4 we have, 7 we have, right? So this is a three-dimensional array. You see, array 3 is a three-dimensional array, and this has been clubbed with array 4, which is one-dimensional array, and we got the union of both the different type of dimensions array, right? If you notice, there is a restriction, right, on this union ID method. We cannot pass more than, you know, two arrays, right, into this method. If you take one more array, you put 16, right? If you're trying to pass on array 5, then you will get the error, right? You see, union ID takes two positional argument, but three were given, right? This is because this function accepts only two arguments as an array. Okay. Here, how we can solve this problem? So we can solve this problem with the help of reduce function, which comes through the func tool module. Okay, func tools, and we have to import its reduce function, right? This is a function. Okay. Now how we can use reduce function? So it is very simple. If I take result 3, this is my new variable. We have to call it reduce function, right? Now that would come from func tool. You see here, this reduce function will take a function as an argument, right? That would be a unique 1d, right? We have to pass on this function as an argument, right? And here we have to pass on array in terms of tuples, right? So we can say, let me print result 3 here. Okay, let's see what happens. Yeah, so this is because we have still passed array number 3 here. Let's run the program again. So you will get the output. Okay, you have now passed on more than two arrays, right? And you got the union. Okay, if you want to check what is the type of this result 3 function, which type of data it is returning, which type of object it is returning, so you will get it is returning numpy.nd array, right? Because this function returns nd array object, right? So this reduce function will return what this function returns. Okay, if you want to put one more, can pass on array 6. Okay, you will get the 36 also, right? Either you can do this way or you have different way to do this, right? Let me comment it out. And instead of this, you just put your element like this 1 2. This is the same thing, right? If you run the program again, so you will get the different output, right? 1 2 5 7 8 9, 1 2 5 7 8 9, right? So this is a first case of one dimension, and if you put two dimension, right? Let's see whether it takes. Yes, it is taking, right? Okay, so we make it 19, so it will add 19 also in the output, right? See, so here we see we can pass any type of dimensions, right? And first one dimension we have passed on, two dimension we have passed on, right? And we have passed on multiple nd arrays, right? With the help of reduce that comes from func tool module. Okay, so we have covered how we can get the union of numpy array, right? We have seen one dimensional array, two dimensional array, three dimensional array. We can pass down different type of dimensional arrays, right, into one function. Even we have seen reduce function wherein we can pass more than two numpy arrays, okay, to get the union of those arrays.
That brings us to the end of the today's video. We hope you found it informative and engaging. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more exciting content on all things tech related. Thanks for watching, and we will see you in the next video.